Hello everyone, welcome to my channel economics.official. So in today's video we will study about what is econometrics, what are its types and uses and demerits. So let's get started. First question is, what is econometrics, or what do you understand by this term? So literally interpreted, econometrics means economic measurement, or we can say that it may be defined as social science in which the tools of economic theory, mathematics and statistical inference are applied to the analysis of economic phenomena. Or we can say that econometrics is concerned with the empirical determination of economic phenomena. So I've given three definitions here. Whichever you like, you can learn. Now, next is, what are the types of econometrics? As we know that econometrics is of two types. First one is theoretical and the second one is applied. And both of these are of two types. First is classical and second is Bayesian. Next is types of econometrics. As we have learned that it is of two types, theoretical and applied. So we will study about this. First is theoretical. Theoretical econometrics is concerned with the development of appropriate methods for measuring economic relationships specified by econometric models. In this aspect, econometrics leans heavily on mathematical statistics. This is theoretical. Now next is applied. Applied econometrics, we use the tools of theoretical econometrics to study some specific fields of economics and business. So what are those fields? First is production function, it can be investment function, demand and supply function, and portfolio theory. So this all comes in applied econometrics. Now we will study about the uses of econometrics. Econometrics is widely used in policy formulation. Econometrics helps the producers in making rational calculations. Econometrics is also useful in verifying theories. Studies of econometrics mainly consist of testing of hypotheses, estimation of the parameters, and asserting the proper functioning form of economic relations. So these are the uses of econometrics. Next is limitations, or we can say demerits of econometrics. First is quality of data. Econometric analysis and research depends on intensive database. One of the serious problems of Indian econometric research is non-availability of accurate, timely and reliable data. Okay. Next is econometric methods are time-consuming, complex in nature. Another limitation is that econometric models are abstract in nature. They do not help in forming moral judgments, but the policy formation often moral judgments are necessary. The main difficulty with econometrics is that statistical tools are used to estimate parameters. Statistical methods are based upon certain assumptions which may not be consistent with economic data. The method of econometrics can be applied only to qualifiable phenomena. It is difficult to estimate the values of parameters in case of qualitative problems. There are institutional features and accounting conventions that have to be allowed for the economic models, but which are either ignored or and only partially dealt with at the theoretical level. So in today's video we have learned about what is econometrics, what are its uses, alright, its types and its limitations. Thank you for watching. Do share it with your friends and your family members. Thank you.